Sabi ko kanina kay may sinasabi ako, hindi niya marinig. Sabi ko, pingi ka ba? Bakit? Sabi niya. Because you're deaf. Definitely mine. Pag-uusapan natin ngayon dito tungkol sa bingi. Okay? Because today's gospel is Mark 7 verse 31 to 37. Okay. So ang sabi dito, no, Jesus then left the neighborhood of Tyre and went on through Sidon to Lake Galilee. Going by way of the territory of the 10 towns, some people brought him a man who was deaf and could hardly speak, and they begged Jesus to place his hands on him. So Jesus took him off alone, away from the crowd, put his fingers in the man's ears, spat and touched the man's tongue. Then Jesus looked up to heaven, gave a deep groan, and said to the man, Ephphatha, which means open up. Oops, sorry. At once the man was able to hear. His speech impediment was removed, and he began to talk without any trouble. Then Jesus ordered the people not to speak of it to anyone, but the more he ordered them not to, the more they told it. And all who heard were completely amazed. How well he does everything, they exclaimed. He even caused the deaf to hear and the dumb to speak. So, yun na nga, no? Medyo, ano na naman today, no? Sa nangyayari ngayon, very timely na naman yun, yung reading ngayon, because of the fact na when we say deaf, hindi lang yung hindi tayo nakakarinig physically. Pero yun na nga, no, ang sabi dito kasi sa Psalm for today, sabi nga doon, I am the Lord your God, hear my voice. Unfortunately, marami sa atin ang hindi nakakarinig nun. Hindi naririnig yung salita ng Diyos. To the point na ang nangyayari nga, iba yung pinapakinggan natin. Minsan, ang naririnig lang natin, yung point natin. So, alam mo yung point na nasabi ko kanina nga na parang tumutugma sa nangyayari sa atin ngayon kasi you know how it is with the Senate hearings and stuff like that. Minsan, pag nagkakainitan, makikita ninyo, no, parang hindi na napapakinggan yung kabilang side. So parang ganun yung point. At the same time, ando doon din yung point na sa ordinary na mga tao, kahit sabihin mo sa mga magulang, with regards dun sa pakikinig sa mga anak nila, minsan they don't get to listen, and vice versa. Pero ano ba talaga yung point natin dito? Kailangan nating i-open up. Yun ang sabi ni Jesus no doon sa deaf man, open up. So bigla na siyang nakarinig. And then of course, alam naman natin when you're deaf, medyo may speech impediment ka kasi wala ka naririnig ng mga ano, so hindi rin makapagsalita. So sana mag-open up yung pandinig natin, not necessarily yung ears natin physically, pero yung pandinig natin, yung puso natin, mag-open up para marinig natin yung salita ng Diyos. Para that way, ma-share din natin. Yung speech impediment na yun, sana maayos din natin through nice words, good words. In other words, the word of the Lord. Alam niyo po yung nahihirapan tayo dito minsan. Ako, for one, matagal akong naging deaf sa salita ng Diyos. um, hindi ko pinapakinggan yan eh. Kasi feeling ko nga, alam ko na. To the point na napipi din ako. Kasi hindi ako nagsasalita. So ngayon na medyo nanunumbalik yung ganito, yung pagiging ganito. I mean, yung nakikita nyo naman sa ginagawa ko everyday. I mean, at least I'm trying everyday. Sana sa maliit na paraan nito, maging ganun. Or mabigyan ng saysay yung reading nga ngayon, no, na mag-open up yung ears. For now, siguro masasabi ko, sana mag-open up din yung mga ears ninyo pag napapanood nyo to. Sabi kahapon, tinatanong ako ni A kung ano daw yung parang title nung solo na vlog na to, no, with me, no. Sabi ko, BS. So much BS. I mean, we all know for a fact na that's not a good word. Pero BS stands for boring show. Because chances are, wala pang nakikinig sa akin ngayon. We're seeing it sa pagka na-post, no. There are negligible views, no. Kokonti yung mga nanonood for now. And the way I see it minsan, parang boring din naman ang dating. So, I beg for your forbearance, your patience na hopefully habang ginagawa to, medyo maging komportable din ako. Because, you know, pagdating sa harap ng camera, medyo iba yung ano eh. But anyway, yung sinasabi nga dito, no, na parang, yung parang response doon sa psalmist, help us, Lord, to open up our hearts, something to that effect, na para at least kahit papano masabi ko, ma-share ko kung ano yung gusto kong i-share. As boring as it may sound, as boring as it may appear, lalo na the way we do it, ano. And yun na nga, we don't have the proper resources. It's just our phone cameras. So, pagpasensya nyo, wala rin proper lighting, wala rin kaming proper na backdrop or anything to that effect. Tapos, we're supposed to publish ngayon yung 3rd episode nung talk namin. Biglang nagloko tong charger, so na-lowbat yung ginagamit ni Mrs. kasi siya yung nag-edit nung podcast. So, alam niyo yun, it's really not that appealing for now. So, I really hope you bear with us. I hope na we just want to impart yung message, or we can at least get our message across kahit na siguro may average of 10 views every time. I mean, for the average yun. Ang pinakamataas na atas yung 40 plus, pero and we just have 7 subscribers, no. So parang it is parang a boring show nga dating, no. A lot of BS, pero sana nga yung BS na yon mabigyan namin ng ibang ibig sabihin, which is yung boring show, but that boring show will somehow be something that will be exciting enough para panuorin ng tao. So I hope we open up our hearing, so that way we can listen well sa salita ng Diyos, and at the same time ma-share din natin yung or we can spread the word of the Lord, no. Yun lang. Thank you.